Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix vibration not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Turn on vibration. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on accessibility. On the accessibility page, scroll down, tap on touch. On the touch page, scroll down, turn on vibration. Method number 2. Turn off low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on battery. On the battery page, turn off low power mode. Method number 3. Check vibration setup. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap sound and haptics. On the haptic page, scroll down, turn on play haptic in ring mode. Turn on play haptic on silent mode. Swipe up, tap on ringtone, tap on vibration, select anyone. Method number 4. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset all setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.